Hello, my name is Cesar and I am student Tidar University. Today I will talk about management. The first I will talk about the meaning of management. Management is process of planning, organizing, directing and controlling by empowering organization member and using other organizational results. Management in communication is order to achieve the organizational goals that have been set. Management is often defined as the art of doing job for other people. Managers research organization goals by arranging other people and to carrying out any task that may be needed to achieve the goals. Income management books the art of going work to involve other people in the processing, organizing, controlling, and leading various business in achieving goals. And communication is processed by which a person, group, organization, and socially created use information to connect the environment other people. The characteristic communication sign include uh, interesting, complex, casual dimension, and contain potential problem. Few of these characteristics are communication processed by communicated. Then action communication must be managed properly. This is where the management subject for communication come in contributed. Management is a group people who carry out planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Management is has ultimate responsible for various decision making related with the following facts. Employment and management is a unit that need to each other. Good management is a management that can environment in which people who works together in a group can achieve the goals that have been set effectively possible. After we know the meaning of management, the next management because our manager in our management is actor. Then I will talk about what is the next by our manager. The first is leadership. Without the leader, any problem that arises in the running of the organization will difficultly to suffice quickly and effectively with the result in the goals of the organization being humbled and the percentage of statistification of achieving the school is very low. Therefore, the role of a leader in our organization is very important. A leader is someone who is free of making discussion and has always solve and can lead to active organization goals. The task of leader is to be able to understand and handle the situation is member and can motivate and encourage his member to work harder. Leader must be able to overcoming exciting conflicts. Leader can approve appropriate for a member to express this opinion about the important conditional decide of according to their respective perspective that must be by utilizing the various resources available in the organization. Leadership is important in a company or organization because leadership is the key to team success. That because all discussion, movements, and piece of development require leadership. Apart from the other direction is build a strong team with good leadership strength and well-formed teamwork. The team can face obstacles and obstacles. The main reason why leadership is so important is to build solid team. The vision of target of a group must be achieved with the work with good leadership, solidarity, and teamwork with from well to that obstacles and obstacles can be overcome well by the team. The second reason is that leadership function is very influential in overcoming the existing character is difference in realizing the vision and goals. Of course, there are obstacles that stand in the way. That obstacles continue to grow to become more and more difficult to overcome this proper analyzing and calculation to need to find right way. A good example of leadership will to choose the and he remains stand first in the face of adversity. Leadership is not just about benefiting a group or company. A leader will also benefit to those who will become leader, will have introspection, technically, creativity, and development because they are just directing and making discussion for of the group. The second is communication. We define organization communication as the sending and receiving of messages among individuals who are interested in a particular environment or setting to active individual did share goals. Organizational communication is contextual and cultural. Individual is organization and sends message through face-to-face written and made channel. Communication helps manager to do the job and responsible. Communication serves as the basis of planning. All important information must be communicated to the manager who is then must communicate the plan to carry it out. Organization also requires effects communication with others about their job. Quite likewise, leader as manager must be communicated effectively with their subordinates to achieve team goals. Control is not possible without written and verbal communication. Managers devote most of their time to communication. They are spend a lot of time on face-to-face or telephone communication with their superior. subordination, colleagues, customer, or supplies. Manager also use written communication in the form of letter, reports, or memos. Of verbal communication is not possible.